Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Zoom. First of all, I'm going to show you what you need to download for Zoom, and I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting, how to change the setting in Zoom. So first of all, you need to go to zoom.us/download, and the Zoom you want to download is the Zoom clients for meetings. And if you're going to use plugin for Outlook, you're going to need to download a Zoom plugin for Outlook. And also, if you use IBM Notes, you're gonna have to download the plugin for Notes. But in this video, I'm going to download the three items, which is the client versions, the client meeting desktop versions, Zoom plugin for Outlook, and Zoom plugin for the browser, which is I'm going to use the Google Chrome. So now let's download the Zoom client meetings. Click on download, the Zoom installer. I probably already have Zoom installed on here, so if I don't, I'm going to, let me see here. Nope, I don't have it, so I'm going to install it by clicking on it. It's installing. As you can see, the Zoom installer progress bar here. All right, so it has installed. I'm going to, if you don't have an account, you're gonna have to join the meeting. But if you have a host account, which is allowed you to create meetings, so I'm going to log in with my host account, Adam at o365tube.com, and then I'm gonna leave it keep me sign in, and then the password. So now I got Zoom client installed on my computer. The next one I'm going to download is the Zoom plugin for Outlook. Here it is. I'm going to click on it. It looks like I already installed a Zoom plugin for Outlook. Let's take a look here. Yes, I did. Once you install the Outlook, it put two icons on your desktop. I mean, on your Outlook. In your Outlook ribbon, there's a schedule meeting. There's a start instant meeting. So that's the iLook plugin. The next thing I'm going to cancel this out since already installed. The next one I want to do is install the browser for Chrome. I'm using Chrome. Zoom scheduler. I'm going to click on this one here, adds to Chrome, confirm. It's going to change. All right, look like it's already installed. As you can see, it puts an icon here. I'm going to log in by click on it, enter host, my Zoom host account. Click on sign in. All right, so I got three items installed. Let's take a look at the first one, which is the Zoom client. With the Zoom client, you can start an ad hoc meeting by clicking on this new meeting. And if you have the video, once you click on new meeting, it's automatically turn on your camera. Or the another setting is the personal meeting numbers. It's going to use your personal meetings number, which is this one. If you click on, we'll check both of them. Um, the personal meetings settings you can configure. If you have the basic versions, this is all you have. And if you have the professional versions, you have to, I think you can change it. And the password, you can change the password to anything you want here. Um, Video, there is a host. That means when you start a meeting, it's going to turn on the camera for host. If you turn it off, that means the camera will turn off. Also for participant, similar, on and off for video. Audio, I recommend that you use both telephone and computer audio. And if you go to advanced settings, there's enable waiting room. That means allow the participant to wait. Enable join before host. If you enable join before host, that means your participant will be able to be able to enter your meeting without you being there first. Mute participant at entries. It allow you to mute participant when they come in to your meeting. Automatically record meeting. You can automatically set the meeting to automatically record by checking this box. So I'm not going to make any change settings here. I'm going to leave as default. So that's the ad hoc meeting settings. Also here you can schedule a meeting by clicking on schedule, and you can call the topics of the meeting, whatever you want to call it. The start time, start date and time, durations, how long, 1 hour, whatever you want here. I have the basics Zoom, so I don't have an options. It has to be under 4 minutes, 40 minutes. Yep, that's fine. I'm gonna leave it. Meeting ID, here's the meeting ID. You can use the personal meeting ID or automatically generate and the required password. Again, there's video on and off for host and participant, audio on and off, telephone, computer, or both. Calendar, you want to add it to your Outlook calendar or Google Calendar. Once you have that configured, you can click on schedule a meeting. Let me see, I'm going to schedule a meeting. I'm gonna put April 3rd. I'll just put April 10th at 12 noon. The time zone here, that's fine. I'm gonna click schedule meeting. So my meeting has been scheduled. And if I go to, as you can see here, it's automatically open up um, the Outlook for me. And if I want to send to the participant, I can enter the email address here. I'm going to email this to Bobby. Click send. That's fine. It's just limitations. Click on continue. So that's how you schedule a meeting. The other two icons here is you want to join a meeting, you need to know the meeting number and the share screen. Again, you have to know the meeting number in order to share the share screen with someone else. Contact, you can add contacts here. Star, external contact, chat, you can chat with someone. So that's the desktop client's version of scheduling a meeting. Um, Again, you can go to Outlook here. You can use the icons on above here to schedule meetings by click on schedule meetings, or you can start an instant meeting with this one. Just say I'm going to start an instant meeting here. That's fine. I have a virtual machine. I don't have audio. I'm going to leave it, close it out. So here's the meeting windows. With this meeting windows, you can join by click on join audio. And if you want to turn on a camera, you can click on this button, the camera icon. That's will turn on the camera. And if you want to invite other participant, you can click on invite, manage participant. With manage participant, it's allowed you to mute the participant, unmute the participant, and also there's a more options available. Chat allowed you to chat here to everyone or to, I don't have anybody else here, so just to everyone. Record. This will give you an options to record the meeting. And once you record, it's automatically saved to your computer. Reactions, this is a Mojo. And end meeting allowed you to finish the meeting. I'm going to click end meeting and all meeting or leave meeting. So that's the ad hoc meeting from Outlook. Again, you can go into Chrome here and schedule a meeting. Just all you have to do is just click on the Zoom scheduler icon here, and it gives you an options to schedule a meeting or start a meeting with video off or with video on. It's the process pretty similar to when you schedule a meeting, very similar to the client and to the desktop client and to Outlook plugin. So that's it. That's all basic how to use Zoom meetings in Zoom desktop and Zoom Outlook client, and also Zoom plugin for the browser. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day.